What if I told you there's a secret weapon used by history's greatest achievers? This weapon isn't a tangible object, but a powerful concept, the Mastermind Group. Imagine a council of brilliant minds, each dedicated to supporting your goals and challenging you to reach your full potential. By surrounding yourself with individuals who believe in your vision and challenge you to grow, you unlock a level of creativity and problem-solving that would be impossible to achieve alone. Whether you're an entrepreneur, an artist, or simply someone looking to level up their life, a mastermind group can provide the support and accountability you need to turn your dreams into reality. What happens when you bring together a group of ambitious, driven individuals with a shared desire for growth? The answer is simple: magic. The mastermind effect takes hold, amplifying the collective intelligence and creative potential of each member. Suddenly, ideas flow freely, solutions emerge from unexpected places, and challenges are met with a renewed sense of purpose and determination. Each member brings their unique experiences, perspectives, and expertise to the table, creating a rich tapestry of knowledge and insight. The group dynamic fosters a safe and supportive environment where members feel comfortable sharing their vulnerabilities and pushing each other beyond their perceived limitations. Imagine having access to a team of advisors, mentors, and cheerleaders, all invested in your success. The mastermind effect is a testament to the power of collaboration, proving that we are stronger together than we are alone. The concept of mastermind groups is not new. Throughout history, some of the greatest minds have attributed their success to the power of collaboration and intellectual synergy. Andrew Carnegie, the steel magnate, surrounded himself with a group of trusted advisors who helped him build his empire. Oprah Winfrey, the media mogul, cultivated a close-knit circle of friends, mentors, and advisors who provided invaluable support and inspiration. Even in literature, mastermind groups have played a pivotal role. The Inklings, a literary discussion group formed in Oxford in the 1930s, included literary giants such as J.R.R. Tolkien and C.S. Lewis. The group met regularly to share their work, offer critiques, and inspire each other. These are just a few examples of how mastermind groups have propelled individuals to achieve extraordinary things. From business empires to literary masterpieces, the power of collaboration and shared vision has left an indelible mark on history. Few inventions have revolutionized the world like Henry Ford's automobile. But the story of Ford's success isn't just about engineering genius. It's also a testament to the power of the mastermind principle. Ford understood that no one achieves greatness alone. He assembled a team of talented individuals, each an expert in their respective fields, to help him realize his vision of bringing affordable automobiles to the masses. This group, bound by a shared belief in Ford's vision, formed the nucleus of his mastermind group. By harnessing the collective intelligence and creativity of his team, Ford was able to achieve what was once considered impossible: mass-producing affordable and reliable automobiles. The story of Henry Ford and his mastermind group is a powerful reminder that collaboration is not a sign of weakness, but a source of immense strength. Before airplanes filled the skies, two brothers from Ohio dared to dream of conquering the heavens. Wilbur and Orville Wright, fueled by a shared passion for innovation, embarked on a journey that would change the world forever. Their story is not just about engineering prowess, but also a testament to the power of the mastermind principle. The Wright brothers understood that achieving their audacious goal of building a flying machine would require more than just their individual talents. They found this support in their family, particularly their sister Catherine, who played a crucial role in their success. The Wright brothers' workshop became their meeting ground, a space where ideas took flight and solutions emerged from collaboration. Their story teaches us that a mastermind group doesn't have to be a formal gathering of experts. It can be as simple as a group of individuals who share a common goal and an unwavering belief in each other's abilities. By harnessing the power of the mastermind principle, they achieved what many thought impossible, proving that even the loftiest of aspirations can be realized with the right team by your side. Imagine a garden filled with only one type of flower. While beautiful in its uniformity, it lacks the vibrancy and richness of a garden teeming with a diverse array of blooms. The same principle applies to mastermind groups. Diversity of thought, experience, and perspective is essential for fostering creativity, innovation, and robust problem-solving. When you bring together individuals from different backgrounds, industries, and walks of life, you create a dynamic environment where ideas collide and new perspectives emerge. A diverse mastermind group is like a symphony orchestra, with each member playing a unique instrument, contributing their distinct voice to create a harmonious and powerful whole. By embracing diversity, you create a mastermind group that is greater than the sum of its parts, a powerhouse of creativity, innovation, and collective wisdom. One of the most powerful benefits of a mastermind group is the concept of synergy, the idea that the combined effort of the group is greater than the sum of its individual parts. When individuals come together with a shared goal and a commitment to supporting each other's growth, something magical happens. The group dynamic unlocks a level of creativity, problem-solving, and accountability that would be impossible to achieve alone. Think of it like this. Each member brings their unique knowledge, skills, and experiences to the table. As they share their ideas, challenges, and perspectives, the group taps into a collective intelligence that is far greater than any one individual could possess. Synergy is the secret source of a successful mastermind group, the invisible force that amplifies the group's collective efforts and propels them towards success. The group becomes a self-perpetuating engine of growth and success, fueled by the power of synergy. When it comes to mastermind groups, size doesn't matter as much as quality. A small, carefully curated group of individuals who are aligned with your values, goals, and aspirations will be far more impactful than a large, loosely connected network. The key is to be selective, to choose individuals who you respect, admire, and who inspire you to be your best self. Look for individuals who are positive, supportive, and growth-oriented. They should be active listeners, willing to share their experiences, and committed to providing constructive feedback. Remember, you are the CEO of your own mastermind group. The right mastermind group can be a game changer, providing the support, accountability, and inspiration you need to achieve your wildest dreams. Imagine a rowing team where each member is rowing in a different direction. Chaos ensues, progress is impossible, and the boat goes nowhere. The same principle applies to mastermind groups. Without a shared sense of purpose, clearly defined goals, and a commitment to supporting each other's success, the group will lack direction and fail to achieve its full potential. The most successful mastermind groups are built on a foundation of shared goals and aspirations. Members are aligned in their vision for the future and are committed to helping each other achieve those goals. By aligning your goals and aspirations, you create a force multiplier that can propel you towards extraordinary achievements. The power of the mastermind is not a secret. It's a principle that has been used by successful individuals and groups throughout history. From ancient philosophers to modern-day entrepreneurs, the greatest minds have understood the importance of surrounding themselves with like-minded individuals who can support their growth, challenge their thinking, and inspire them to achieve greatness. Now it's your turn. Embrace the power of the mastermind. Seek out individuals who share your values, goals, and aspirations. Form a group, establish clear expectations, and commit to supporting each other's growth. The journey may not always be easy, but the rewards are immeasurable. Join the mastermind movement and embark on your journey to greatness today.